Sounds better. And just before it broke, it was going really good. Like we were pulling some good kilometers an hour coming down this hill, and then it just laid right over and lost all its power. And then when I looked at the back window, there was a shitload of smoke coming out the back, and I knew that it was all over. The green car's broken. So we've got the green car here. I've drained all the premium unleaded out of it and checked where the timing's at. We've got 17 degrees. I'm going to drain the whole fuel tank, and we're going to put the race gas, which is 125 octane, in the tank and see how it goes. This has a factory computer, factory injectors. I've just got the nitrous kit slapped on there. So yeah, this build is nothing special at all. So we'll see how much the gauge comes up. Not much. Let's start her up. Sounds better. So now we can turn the timing up a little bit. Off camera I did check this. Winding the distributor out took us up to 23 degrees.
Feels better.
It does go a lot better. So unfortunately that's all the footage I could get before the camera died. But I've done a compression test on the engine, and 1 and 4 is really sad. So I've got a couple of old pistons and rods here out of another 4E. So seeing as we've already had the head off and changed the Model A steel gasket, we may as well pull that all apart again, pull the sump off, whip those pistons out and see what damage is done. Then replace it with these second hand ones, put it all back together and see how she runs.